Here I am at Playland Amusement Park on this Thursday afternoon, September 27th, 2007. And the time right now is 12:35 p.m. The park is closed for the season. And these are the old mill boats on dry dock. They had taken them out of the water for the season. As you can see, the gate's locked for security purposes, so we can't enter. That's understandable. We'll get another view over here. There's boat 3. Okay. There's the boats. They go all the way down to the end where the stands are. Who knows where they'll store them for the season. And that completes the video.